Now play cricket with cricket punch balls. Cricket punch balls behaves like a leather ball with incredible durability. It's a solid ball that comes in red color and another is red and white. It weighs 110 grams and 145 grams. You can play on grass pitches or cement pitches. It always gives you good bounce, good swing, and a spinner can spin it very well. You can play with it in early morning dew hours. That's why we call it a waterproof cricket ball. Play your next match with cricket punch ball and enjoy the game of cricket. We have provided the link to buy it online in the description of the video. To get our coming videos, you also subscribe us and click the bell icon.